Well, go on, my people. You're welcome to the biggest show on the continent right now, MS Live, with your boy Mac Moten. And this is the show that we have insightful conversation with your favorite artists pertaining to show business. You can follow us at every single platform, MS34GH, hashtag MS Live. Today on the show is going to be a bang. We are having one of the finest conversation with one of the musical duo and the reigning music group of the year, Keche in the building.
Just add the global.
Global, Keche Global. What do you best say?
Yeah, it is what it is.
Brother
It's
man,
global.
seniors, Akwaba.
Yenya.
Now, feeling that saying, to see we are group of the year. You guys have come a long way. You guys have been in the music space for 18 years,
Yes.
getting to 2 decades.
Yes.
Can you run us through the journey, how it has been like for you guys?
Of course. Something, if you want to achieve something, there is something that you should always put in your mind that it would be, sometimes it would be, you won't get it smooth all the time. you
Okay.
know? Yeah. So of course it's been rough, it's been smooth, it's been rough, it's been smooth, but we have a specific goal that we want to achieve, and gradually we are getting there.
Okay.
Gradually we are getting
Okay. Andrew, I knew back in school you used to be athlete, and your
Yeah.
brother used to be play basketball. How do you guys come together as a group and come up with the name Keche? I know Keche means skills.
there. Yeah,
Mui
skills.
Keche. So how did you guys come up with the name, or particularly the name Keche?
Okay, so we're not friends in school, back in school, but then I sometimes see him come to school to play basketball, you understand? But we're not friends. And then I was an athlete, I was still a rapper, jumping up and coming at school as well. When it comes to second year, everywhere, they mention my name, underground, but I was doing the most. So I came back to Tema after school. I joined my dad in Tema, and I was doing my rap battle on stage.
So you were a rapper.
Yeah.
So why did you
I
switch to
rap
become a
and I
singer?
sing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but I enjoyed the rapping more,
Okay.
right? So I was on stage doing a battle. We were almost like 16, and they had to just, evict, all of them. So we were left with 3 people on stage. So that was the final, actually. It was when I saw him. He's folded his arms in the crowd and he was just watching. So after the whole event, and I won. He was there.
Wow. Okay.
I won. So I got down and we started talking. Yeah, I know you in second D. We just got talking and they became friends. So we didn't really plan. Like we just met. We said, let's sit down and become a duo.
Okay.
Friendship. Became friends. We're studio together. Sometimes we are doing song. He also jump on. He jump on. Just like we found ourselves going. So there was no paperwork. There was no, meeting. We had to sit down and say, Charlie, let's become a duo. We just found ourselves going just like that.
Okay. So how did the name Keche come about?
Keche means skills.
I know, and I know it's skills.
Individually, personally, we believe in ourselves.
Okay.
You need to believe in yourself and believe in what you are doing before you can just pursue it, you understand? So we realized that there was something unique about the both of us. Joshua will rap, and then, it's not like the ordinary everyday rapper, you understand? There is something that you have to hear, something that will make you start, that will crack you up, something that will make you smile, listening to the rap and all that. And then when he wants to be serious, he gets serious, right? And then myself, that's what he saw in me as well. And personally, I knew that I got it. So I realized that there was something unique about us.
Okay.
So we came up with a lot of names, but we ended up with Keche.
Can you mention some of the names you guys come up with?
We came out with Afufro, the one, Chopba.
Choba, that one is very, very, very funny. Why Choba?
Choba. We're just trying our best. And we're finding a name that will be, very good that will best describe the brand and then the way we gel together. So we ended up with Keche, and everybody was like, "Yo, listen, Keche is."
You know when you are young, sometimes you choose a name that it doesn't even make sense. But if people love it, let's go. Let's go with it. Because if somebody new today, he wouldn't choose Batman.
Yeah.
All right, and Pono. So even my friend, now he said Ponobium. People were changing, even bandana.
True.
You
Shatawale.
understand? Yes. So sometimes just choose a name. Yeah, Master, a friend. So you go school, what be your name? A Scorpion. It doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
They just want to use some names, So we came.
You have to come up with a name which is very meaningful.
Yes. Anytime that we talk about this, then I want to say a big shout out to our godfather Kewa.
Yeah.
May God bless. He invented his brand. And big shout outs to Castro, the destroyer, wherever he is. May God protect him for us. We came with a name. They agreed. I remember when we told Kewa, highly spiritual, that Father, this is the name we want to use. I remember he said, you guys kneel down. We knelt down, he prayed, he put
For
his
you
hand,
guys.
prayed for it. He said, God, I like this name. Castro love it.
Okay.
And may this name stay.
Okay.
And here we are.
So we are going to talk about your debut album, which is Pressure.
Yeah.
But before that, how did you guys meet up with Kewa?
Okay, Kewa, there was a guy called Young Sam.
Okay.
Young Sam, yes. Young Sam took us to Kewa. I think he saw when 4S4 was launching this the album. The girl them need. Okay, yes, we came as underground artists, you know, at somewhere in Accra, some club, and we were there.
That'd be Shaka Zulu. That'd be the
Yeah,
song,
yes, the Shaka Zulu album, yes. And this guy was standing. You guys, I know you guys. Like, oh boss, yeah, I see you when it comes to Tema. They see you. Oh yeah, you the rap. Like, oh yeah, they rap, they sing. And my guy too, be Andrews. Oh, I'll introduce you to my guy Kewa. They come to now, he be engineer. So he took us to Kewa to go and serve as studio boys. And Kewa saw the potential in us. We started. So we were with Kewa for like 2 years, 3 years before. We were like, okay, you guys, if you come out, we name you won't use. Go and look for some name
and come.
Yeah.
So that's how you met Kewa. And since then, the relationship has been very solid.
It's our godfather.
Okay.
So much respect to Kewa.
Okay. So what's one advice he has given you guys in the music industry, Andrew?
I mean, togetherness and understanding. You understand? I think so, when you think about groups in Ghana, they are not attractive no more.
True.
You understand? I think the few of us doing it, we're trying to just make it, have that attraction back. Because people, are always expressing their displeasure, right? In this thing. Because they'll come together today, tomorrow they fight based on monetary issues, sometimes some girls, sometimes one or two these things, and then they go off. So leaving the brand, standing alone, you understand? So Kewa kept advising us, and I remember one time he mentioned that, listen, we fought.
Really?
Yeah, we fought.
How many times have you guys fought?
No, we do all the time. Listen, we are two. We are a group.
Yeah,
we are human beings. You understand? Even twins do fight. So most definitely we'll disagree on some issues, and it will lead us. Sometimes nobody want to just come down to settle for what you want. So sometimes that tension comes, but then it doesn't affect us, and that's what one of the advice Kewa gave us. Don't let it affect whatever you are doing, because in Ghana here it's very difficult to build a brand.
Yeah, true.
To get to the level, the peak, that level that you want it to get to. Now, we build a brand by God's grace. Keche is out here, Ghana, Africa, the world accepted Keche. So Keche is now bigger than me, Andrew. Because when I go out there as Andrew, few people know Andrew. When he goes out there as Joshua, few people knows Joshua. But when you go out there as Keche, the world know Keche, you understand? Right. So he's bigger than us. So what's the company that's now bringing a lot of, good things to the table for us. Now we wake up one day because of mere misunderstanding. I want to just squash it and then just go our separate ways. Mind you, some of the issues that we had, confronted, some of these groups confronted, whatever it is, that led to their separation. We've encountered them more and even worse ones than that. But we still live because we have accepted the fact that we are two individuals. We'll make mistakes, yes, it is us. But then what is Keche? Keche hasn't done no wrong to me, not him. Keche, the only beautiful thing Keche has done is to bring money to us.
Wow.
Bringing money, bringing opportunities to us. We go to some places, sometimes it's not about music, but because you are Keche, because of the brand Keche, there are some opportunities that, people are not getting, but you easily access them. You understand? Because of the brand. It's not even music. So, it's bringing from music and even outside music. So it is bigger than us. So we can fight. It's okay. Let's stay not talking for a month, 2. It's okay. Let's just calm down and then decide, okay, now we're okay to solve our differences. It's okay, but it doesn't affect Keche, that's all.
That's very beautiful. 18 years is not a joke.
Yeah.
I know 2014, you guys had the opportunity to perform at Monrovia, Liberia.
Yeah.
How did it come about?
We were awarded the Global Ambassadorship Award, so we're back and forth over there. Yeah. I was there when Joshua called me that our manager then, Edwin, called him that we have a show in Liberia. They said, me too, you call me, but I didn't believe it. I'm like, even pressure, that time pressure, we've promoted pressure for like a year and like 3 months. We are not seeing no result. So we even wanted to just give up on the song and drop another song. But there was a prophecy on the song, Pressure. I remember, what's his name?
Pastor Say.
Pastor Say, Empress Gifty's ex, husband. He came to the studio. Then we had dropped Omogemi and Ring My Bell featuring Sarkodie, which is doing well. But we're looking for that mega
song.
And he said that, listen, this song, Pressure, will be a big song. But you promote it for a long time. Don't give up on the song. So we had that in mind. So after a year and almost like 3 months, Charlie, we've done. That's enough. So let's just drop another song. That was when they called us. My manager called us. We have a show in Liberia. I said, the song No Blue for Ghana safe. Now one Liberia. But then, hey, what's up? Let's just, before we realized we were on a flight traveling. That was our first time traveling out of Ghana.
Wow.
Yeah, on a flight going to Liberia. We got to Liberia. I remember when we got down, they were like, we should just relax. They want to take us somewhere because the crowd will worry. I say, the crowd, which crowd? Oh, master, which crowd? We got the song No Blue for Ghana, and say, which crowd?
So
we went out there, and the place was full.
Choked.
With motor riders, and they gave us police, dispatch rider. Almost like 3 of them. Land Cruisers, and then that was how huge Keche was in Liberia. Wow. And then Pressure is like how, so even the baby in your stomach can even sing Pressure.
That song. But I want to ask you something. The song is not making waves in Ghana then, during that time. It wasn't big in Ghana. Yeah. And going to Liberia to see that the song was very huge at that moment, what was running through you guys, your head, your mind? What was going through your mind at that moment? How was the feeling like for you guys?
It was beautiful. I mean, like I said, a lot of people, came to, almost like thousands of people came to the airport to welcome us, right? We were there. They took us to our hotels, and then we came out. I was crying.
Wow.
I came out of the hotel. People are there. We went for an interview. What was the radio station?
Hot FM.
Hot FM. We finished the interview. We're getting out. We got out, and the place was choked on the street because they heard that we are there. They want to see the guys that played Pressure. And I was there. I'm like, wow. And then funny enough, we went through with Arel of Nest, Chantel, a lot of foreign artists. We had dinner with the president, then Ellen Sirleaf Johnson.
Yeah.
That was where we were awarded the Global Ambassadorship Award.
Wow.
Yeah. So we were there later that night at the SKD. That's the stadium. The whole place was full. It was raining, actually.
Wow.
It was full. All these artists were performing, and then Keche got there. We just started Pressure. These guys will sing from start to end.
Wow.
The reception was beautiful. They treated us so well. And funny enough, when we left Liberia and we came to Ghana, we had a show at Trade Fair. We performed Omogemi, Ring My Bell, and we left Pressure, thinking that in our mind, Pressure is still not that huge. But our DJ then dropped Pressure, and the crowd. So we came back on stage. We started performing. Everybody was singing the song.
Okay.
So I felt like maybe the song was already a hit, but we didn't know because we had not been on no platform since we released that song.
Okay. So I want us to get back to your debut album, which is Pressure, and it has Ring My Bell with Sarkodie on it and Pressure itself. But let's talk about the single Pressure, because I know that song has a backstory. You guys shooting the video, using counterfeit, you guys being arrested. I want you guys to dive deep into it. What really happened on the set of that video?
Shooting the video?
Yeah.
That thing, really small. When Cape Coast, we went to Cape Coast to shoot the video, and there was this scene that Exponent wanted to shoot, and they said we would need some money to be displayed in front of the car. The dashboard of the car.
Okay.
Okay, then why we not go print money? So Charlie, we go enter Cape Coast inside, go print this thing. While we're cutting the money, we saw some woman looking at us.
Wow.
We're there within like 10 minutes, we see police, they be like 10. They come, they can't do one body. We could enter the car. Like, what have we done? So we could enter the car. Some entered the car, was shooting. Was it GMC? Yeah, GMC, they moved all the way to Cape Coast, the headquarters, police headquarters in Cape Coast. Charlie, they put you for some corner. Charlie, we did there. Charlie, new artists now they come up. What they happen?
But the video to be dope.
Yeah, and
the way you guys drip with your cap and chains.
Come video now come home. So Charlie, they came back with like the fake money. That was the CID's words. The fake money. What are you guys doing with it? Like, we printed it. We wanted a scene, and we never knew. See, then now we be naive. We don't know a lot of things. We never know. We had to go to the police station to really clear before we go fee. We never know. Like, we have no idea. We thought it's just printed money, just shooting the video. What show say you guys should be musicians? Or go online, go Google, YouTube, make the CD or Mogemi. And say we even did a song with Sarko. Then Sarko Day was huge.
Yeah.
Did a song with Sarko, they Ring My Bell. And we are now coming out. This thing, we're not going to do anything. Say, they could wait. They called Accra to verify 1 or 2. They realized it's okay, it be true. Even that one, the delay we have for like 4 or 5 hours. We come back, we say, no, we shoot a video again. The small scene we get now is good. We will leave where we come back to Accra. Can't edit the one way we get now. We'll bring them out. And the song.
Okay. Very cool. I want us to get back to Pressure album. 7 songs.
Yeah, 7 songs. Album.
How many producers do you guys work with on the project?
Like 4.
4 producers?
Yeah, 4.
Okay.
4. Because even Ephraim did some of them.
Okay.
Kewa, Met Mix, and Bonnie.
Okay.
Bonnie.
Bonnie, okay. Yeah, B Bonnie, yes. So it was 4.
So why wasn't Omogemi on the project?
Omogemi was on it?
No.
It means I don't know.
It wasn't on it.
It means I don't remember. I have the album at home right now, but
it wasn't on it.
Omogemi no did top.
Yeah.
Hey, but then you do your research. I don't know.
Because me, I forget.
Yeah, I think Omogemi did top.
You know they on.
Yeah.
You know they on. But the song with Sarkodie, as you're saying, Sarkodie was huge at that time.
Yeah.
Ring My Bell.
Sarkodie came like 4 or 5 years before Keche came in.
Yeah. Ring My Bell was a dope song. I recall that song very well.
Yeah.
Do you feel like Ring My Bell could have done better or could have gotten to that level of pressure?
Oh, yeah, because the time Ring My Bell came out, then this song was a big hit, Simple.
Yes, by Brothers.
Then Brothers was there.
That was 2008.
Yeah, then Brothers be huge. That time they bring my song with Ochame Kwame, the one where they chase some girl.
Yeah.
I forget the song name.
I've forgotten the title.
The one where they wear black.
One Gallon.
One Gallon. Yes. That time we know. That time the boys blow. When we said they came into KW studio, we recorded them with Kofi B, the late Kofi B. His song he did with them. I have to be the engineer recording them.
Wow.
Yeah. So they came in the studio with Ochame Kwame. That was studio boys. And that I remember Sarkodie also here said they come around. Sarkodie came there. You know, they were the stars. We were the underground, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. So my song way inspires me. Charlie, we'll go do something like that. And we created Ring My Bell. And Sarkodie came. He said, I love the song.
So Sarkodie wanted to be on the song.
No, Kewa told Sarkodie.
Okay.
That Charlie, this is my boy. So say, someone and I say. And he said, oh, Charlie, have some song. Listen to it. I like the song. I go do them. And then the Sarkodie just did his flow, and we were so happy. Charlie, we got Sarkodie on our song. We brought it out. Yeah, he do what he for do, but now God, in energy day pressure top.
So. Okay.
So that time, then me, I was following Kasahari. Then I go to Duncan. So sometimes you go, you see Sarkodie there and other rappers, but we're not friends. For that time, me too, I come from Takrade fresh.
Okay.
They do my thing for the street. You understand? Ring My Bell did what
they're supposed to do.
Exactly. Because let's say I will give it like 60 out of 100. Because that time we go place, we drop this, everybody singing it.
You remember the Wache party, the Antimony Wache party?
No.
At Labon, that's where every weekend you can't. Charlie boys did there, the mount stage, people they rap, drop Ring My Bell for them, people they sing up. So Ring My Bell did what it's supposed to do.
Okay. I know Keche is one of the biggest music group, not just in Ghana, beyond Ghana, in Africa. Yeah. And I know one of the artists you guys look up to is P Square.
Yeah.
So why haven't we gotten that collaboration with Keche, with P Square? Either Mr. P or Rude Boy.
They are not together again.
You see, they are not together. Oh, do you know?
We want P Square.
We've tried. We've tried.
Oh, okay.
We've tried several times. Emails, messages. Some of the our G's in Nigeria did what they could, but because they weren't together, it was hard. But trust you me, we have one of the biggest group in Africa on a song. It's coming out very soon.
Okay.
Yes.
Fingers crossed.
Yes.
Okay.
Fingers crossed.
You heard it first on MS Live.
We've never said it anywhere. Very soon.
Okay.
Very soon.
But can you mention the name?
Eba. Eba. Artwork is done.
Okay. So I want us to get to that era of Azonto when you guys dropped Soko there, Alugun to be
Body Lotion.
Body Lotion. But I want us to talk about Alugun to Green.
Yeah.
Was the song produced by EL?
No.
Because he was in the video.
Yes.
And he said, this is great.
He recorded the song.
He
mixed and mastered the song.
Yeah. Wow.
Yes.
But he was not the one who produced the song.
No. Inshona beats.
Okay.
Inshona music.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Inshona did magic. That time the Nigerians were taking over this country musically. They were taking over till the Azonto days.
Okay.
So the Azonto days, I remember Sarkodie came with You Go Kill Me. EL came with one Ghana
for your pockets.
Then he dropped another one, Kalu.
No, it came with Obumo.
But then Obumo,
that was
yes. Then one Ghana for your pockets came. Then Kalu came.
Kalu, yeah.
Then Sarkodie also dropped Enji Salasi Wuti that song.
Dangerous.
Yeah, Dangerous. Then we also came with Aluguntugui. Then we came with Sarkodie.
Body lotion.
Then Body Lotion. Azonto days, who again? Joey B.
Yeah, I think it was during that same period Fuse ODJ
dropped that Zone 2.
And then Gasmela, Aboda and
Boda Tue, good. So, that Zone 2, hey, Charlie.
So let's talk about that Zone 2 era. Well, the time you guys dropped Alugun to Be, it was different. Even the video, Charlie, guys, that's a super audio.
Yeah, super audio was in the video.
Yeah, how did you get that legendary?
He brought the idea. That
really?
He can't be in a video. This small boy standing beside him. They are not shaving their hair. He want the same hair for them. You know that man is very creative. He brought the idea that they should wear something uniform. Have this. We should use. He used some oil to apply on their heads so that it will shine.
I know that time you guys have the swag. Even watching Pressure video, Charlie, you guys have the swag because with Pressure, I went behind the
old
scene.
Old swag.
That was a time.
Yeah, old swag. The swag, it grows.
The common swag. Yeah. No, they're film out there.
You know the things that you like, the things that you see today. Now, you maybe you saw years back and you were like, wow, right? Sometimes we look back and we feel like, oh, we could have done better, right? That time, but that is growth. You understand? When you way too much and you feel like say what you did there back then it was the best. It was crazy.
Course, he won award, Forza Video Awards and all.
Yeah, it was crazy up until now. But you grow. The only constant thing in life is growth, right?
True.
And change. You just grow. You change. You make sure that you do better. So sometimes I look back at those videos and I'm like, if I'm watching alone, if I'm watching with people, I feel like, what are they saying in their mind? But this and that.
That time a community deeper.
Because that time now. Joshua no why zigzag.
But I mean, we say it's time some Liberia and into that time still no community womb.
Not here. See, that's the investing time. You see, that time if you get shows, if you not chop, if you invest back into the game. Because that time, this can one management amount. You understand? You have management, yes, but yes, you for the money they get, they go tell you that the money no go chop ammo. We are investing it back. So if you check soccer, there's some political suit and things. Yeah.
So wait to where the Alugun to Be, you guys invested. How much did you guys invest in that video?
Man,
I don't remember.
I mean, I'm not gonna remember. I mean, Alugun to Be.
A lot went to Alugun to Be.
Yeah. Just look at the video.
Yeah.
I mean, the people we brought on board. The
dancers was there.
The dancers, the locations.
And Lucica was there.
We had a short part of it in London. We did. I mean, you can just tell. I mean, what went into it. It was.
So what was the creativity behind that video? Because
it's a dance. It's a dance video. Yeah. I mean, it's a feel-good song.
Yeah.
It's a feel-good song. The song is about approach, right? If you see a girl you think you like, gather them, don't slack, just go forward, approach, and then just tell the girl your mind. If you don't go for it, the best life is just tasty like that. So that's it. Just about approach. So feel good. Let the people dance, the dancers singing. I mean, that comic side of it. I mean, just imagine Super Odi the dance he was. Man, he couldn't even dance properly. I mean, the bald-headed dancers. People even thought we duplicate them. I mean, there are 4 or 5 people. And we pick them from different places. We go here, we see somebody dancing, we pick him. Before we created a team.
So were you guys able to convince the guys that Charlie, this is what the legend they talk about?
Oh yeah, no, they agreed.
They were our dancers now, so they have to do anything.
We were going places with them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
okay.
We were going places with them.
And then do you know that after Alugun to Be video, like they became a brand on the internet. That people book them without Keche for shows. They travel for they were traveling for shows and performing elsewhere.
So up to now, why aren't they part of the team?
Oh no, some travel, some marry.
I mean, life has to go on.
Yeah, so, some marry and things. So.
But Alugun to Be, how did the concept come about?
It's not going.
It's in Krankasa, salsa, the fruit.
Okay.
The one with some point before the body. Yeah. It be salsa. Before we used to call it sweet apple.
Have you tasted one before? It's
Oh,
very
yeah.
sweet.
Yeah.
I
So
have
life
one
is
in
tasty
my-
like.
You can
Yeah.
actually compare life to it's sweet. You see, it depends on how you see life. Somebody will
Okay.
say that I do suffer how life is sweet. You wake
Tasty.
up if you are not healthy and you find yourself in the hospital, then you realize how important and how sweet or
Life
tasty
is.
life is.
Life is very precious.
Exactly.
We take it for granted.
So once you have it, we have a limited time on this planet.
Okay.
Right? If even you are 120, it's still limited.
Intina me say what to
So
pay
just enjoy the life. Do the
Eh.
things that you feel it is right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Love each other. Enjoy life.
Okay.
And what to pay a day.
Joshua, the way I can the rap there was some mommy like a crab because
On which one?
I'll go to win.
I know
Oh, girl, we pose say yo yi. Wa don sa boy. We di ase kumase ko kominya na me hwane ne ho nyina sa atoko. Ono wana mata me negu me de me target na de abuari ono ntima top for Gamo Observatory. Obi ton car, what ton mango. Don't compare Trasaco to Zongo. Ye rente car CBA, ye call Empire Foresight Upia. Ni achi girl CBA ni wi ase ye de sa lugu to green.
Green.
Me da se.
Ada na dia now crash one as well.
Oh yeah. Oh na dia na den na me nyana. Oh, on it was a way back no. Utumi hu obi o screen, utumi hwe ndien say I'm not the one no say. But that time I no get one Ghana. And then too they were the screen goddess like
Yeah,
but
for
TV
real.
so no biats na so be hwe no. Utumi hwe na dia din I'm say hey, tini papa na ewo gay. Na hunam na ntontom pon Canada. But you know that after the video, we became friends.
Wow.
Yeah, we became friends. I every time I see him, I say, hey, you. When I'm going for that, we chat. Like, me and he became like very close. Anywhere I see him, Nadia Boy, big shout to her. She is great actress. I love her. Yeah.
So let's talk about the other one, the other banger, which is Sokode.
Sokode.
The video, the creativity with that.
So for that
Max
political
people.
suit, you know.
Anytime we talk about this, and I say a big thank you to Dr. Pakwesi Ndum and congratulations to him. I just realized that he went to court and he won his case to bring GN Bank back. Congratulations to him. He supported the Keche brand from Alugun to Guyana to diabetes or to body.
Yeah,
body
we
lotion.
were on the label.
Spider
Lee
Lee
Entertainment.
Entertainment. Yes.
That's his first son.
Kweku Ndum.
That
Yes.
was Spider Lee Entertainment. Oh, okay.
No, it was for Pakwesi Ndum's son. So
we
all
were,
the time with them.
I mean, there were times we were on his platform. I mean, here and there. So I mean, we were with them.
Yes. So it's for Pakwesi.
And then we were all saving at GN Bank.
Yeah.
Wow.
We do have account there and all that because I mean,
So there was a plan.
Yes.
There was a structure for you guys.
Yes.
So how long did you guys work with the record label?
Oh, like
I think 5 years.
5 years.
Yeah, 5 years.
Okay.
Yeah, 5
It was
years.
diabetes when we decided
guys
to
left.
to start everything on our own. Yes.
Okay. Since you guys have brought up diabetes, featuring Bisakade,
Yes.
we'll get back to it.
That's
But let's talk about Sokode.
Okay, so Sokode, you know what happened? We went to perform at Hope Poly
With Samini.
with Samini and some other
Samini was
artists.
the headliner. you know.
So
Yeah.
we were coming back, and then we got to. I wanted to buy. We saw a place. I mean, a signboard written on it.
I saw the signboard.
and then written on it.
Sokode.
Sokode.
It was S-O-K-O-D-E.
But we pronounced it
Sokode.
Sokode. We didn't know it was Sokode.
Okay.
So we say Sokode. So I mean, we had the beat. We were just playing around with the name. So we got to the bridge. You see that big bridge,
Adome Bridge.
and wanted to buy that. You see that
1,000.
and that
Abodo.
white abolo.
Okay.
So one girl, we called the girl when she came. No, he said that her name was her name is Achaz. But actually, you are a gun. What are you doing on a well line? He said that the father remarried,
Okay.
and then so she's staying with the stepmother. So we bought the thing, and then we're just laughing in the car. So your friend Nache, or Tom Wade was so called that. Your friend Nache, that was your Tom
We're just
Wade
playing
was
with
so.
the beat.
So now we had to sit down and say, now arrange it very well. Your friend Nache, she did take me here and there. She did make her the food benzer. Now they wonder where she did carry me go. So called that.
And I'm assuming the show in LS Kudobo Dome.
That was it. So it was a story. I mean, I remember we're coming from Swedru, And then our driver was remember one Range Rover. He was speeding in the car actually on slow motion. About like body lotion. We're just playing around. Then Luxio called Papa we went on slow motion. So sometimes we play around music. Just
let
play.
Me tell you something.
And then just get it done.
You suffer to sing.
And
you know, so 2 weeks. We don't like that energy because pressure on nipa junior. A common pressure on nipa trim. So if you want to, you're a musician and you are doing it for the people. Just all the time, just give them something very simple for them to sing along.
Okay.
You understand? I just heard big shout out to JB. JB is out with a new song.
Yeah.
The title, or someone should help me. Like very nice song. I love the song, but I won't learn them. My brain, that's what I mean.
News at 7.
News at 7, good. I love the jam. Beautiful, like the storyline is beautiful. But JB is swimming to me.
Did I how many Joey B so yeah, expect
JB is a brother.
Okay.
JB is a brother. Me and JB are very, very close. Pappy Kojo ni signing, but JB they are very, very close.
In the video be about customer.
A nice song. I love it.
Why? They say you did in the video.
Yeah. See it's Yamika. Me ko me juma. Oh yeah, I was paid 80,000. 80,000 Ghana cedis. I me shower no.
Me just say obi a on name charge.
David. Into me mad na me feel 80,000. Me yankasa.
But I'm just say my boom.
Hey, business. 80,000 to be in the video. Me Jimmy kana me trim me ho cry.
As as we talk right now, he go this as he go comment on one of our
posts. Because wako this here. I have it on my phone.
So no one mama like Montimi so.
Who dey nya abotre meba? Obetse do online. Don't worry. Meba.
Oh, Pappy, you so Charlie, I don't know, sir. Oh, me a legend so.
Oh, very nonsense person. Ombua dia kra. I talk me one person no. More swag sen, more ska sen. I dey mbium. O person yes me brother me church na me bomb pie. How I talk to God.
But wait to Andrew. E ban say na oti as say Joshua unko video because obi a money nencha money nenye free.
Sika don't know what have
me I was there then he called me. Yeah, Charlie. They reach out to him. They say some whatever it is. So, but he tell them say he go charge them. So the truth is he mentioned the money, but they said it was too much. So that was the 80,000. It was too much. So they beat it down small. I said okay, just appearance. I said okay, no problem. Go. Me, I thought it was the both of us. I said Joshua, and I think that they did that because of that controversy. What is over? So he got the money. He sent my mine to me. Then he went to do it.
A business. A business. Into who am I you bia?
Na so wabu man kan ko ba be hye na roba waba de siena.
I don't know why I'm saying, hey, nobody saying that Joshua to me back.
He's a madman. It takes only madman way. I can't support your song safe. I did your song inside. Mumbo tight in mami. Customer. I did the customer song inside. I can't shoot video for you. Still today you can't this week. Or better. He's a madman.
Pappy, you for relax, so you for relax. So yeah, Keche, I want us to get back to one of the biggest songs, the song that won you Hip Life Song of the Year and Best Collaboration, No Darling with
No Darling, yeah.
How did you guys come up with the concept of the song and you guys putting Kwame Eugene on it?
Big shout out to Kwame, wherever you are. Big shout out to Sweet Boy EP. Kwame Eugene just brought an EP out called Sweet Boy EP. Go stream it. Big shout out to Kwame Eugene. And that's one of the songs that we did. It was just, we used like 30 to 40 minutes to do that song. Was that quick.
Okay.
3 talented people. All right. Challenge try to talk about our talent. That boy, this Pappy Kojo, what's why careful? And you're talented. You understand? But no, I am Kwame Eugene side. We just went to the studio. We sent the beat to him. Before we got there, he has already created the hook. DJ Chami Lala. No, he has created where the party there today on it. And that Andrew has written like.
But Andrew, your part be very catchy, pa.
Of course.
So I had already written the chorus,
the song, the hook, everything.
Okay.
And then he said that because we are coming to the studio, we should send the beat to him. So by the time we will get there, he's also, listening to the beat and lay down his verses.
Okay.
So when I went there, he said that when he got the beat, he had an idea, so he put it on it. So now, meaning we have 2 choruses. So now we don't know which one to keep. But like, you know what? I was there, Joshua, my wife, then everybody was there. I was like, you know what? Let's just leave it as it is. And then so I had to now turn the chorus and take some, out of it and turn it into a verse.
Okay.
So I just had to just find a way, just do. You make sad for no reason, just put it on them, just put this rap.
But you for sing that part for me. It'd be very catchy.
You make sad for no reason. Don't you know, say this be our season. You the pray make a fall, kai, you dreaming. Nanke better na yo ya. Missy wusunami yo. Chawun srumo, wususu kru ambemo. Don't you know, say God in control, oh. Yeah. Nanke better na yo ya.
Into our time be into woda. Social media, your pressure, Jamie and Yampa. I saw for on tram which I say yes to Babanka Waba. Into what to Pembiato, Nevias Yobian Shawasa, Mapaki, Misika de Coco Assassi, Obian him come a Toma Boaje, Papa Yaya, Obi Punda. No, Obian him, Papa, my Obi Puntasi. Come a Tom Pappy Kojo, Namia na Wandamasi, Ayo, Abrabo, a tiny Bema than a compo, Wapake Jamfa. Now, is it by force to come from Italy and come and speak some brofo? Would you find the same way a virgin? While so they are your bed, now crow watching the landing, and you would see at you, my brethren. Yeah.
Joshua, person who saw me. I saw me, there be all fine controversies, the BBC. Okobor na dia afi Moisha so obey there when you
no and them fa Moisha the virgin and they name himself fa, but you know then now the song has to be you know, Andy told you about my comic side. Yeah. I'm a very comic person. So anytime that you hear my flow, you hear that comic side of it. All right. Instead of I say, I saw from try change yes we bank waba. Don't take me serious. Yes we baba. Once I'm a corner what's here. What he so I wanted to add some kind of verses that will make my parts more controversial. All right. Moisha virgin, or to pembi ato, any as in trauma change yes we bank waba. That part. Even Kwame say Charlie. Joshua, this is your lamb. Like, put it there, leave it there. I remember it became like giddy for them. Like, no, I need that verse if I did there.
Okay.
And that thing became like the talk about across like Ghana, and it helped the song.
Okay. Nice one, nice conversation with my brothers. Keche, legendary duo in the building. We are talking more about their music journey, how far they have come. But we're going to continue the conversation. Let's take a breather. I'll be back in a bit.